how to set up Face ID on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and further scroll down and tap on the Face ID and passcode option you see there. Now, if your iPhone has passcode in it, you will be required to enter the passcode. So go ahead and enter the passcode and you will then see the option for set up Face ID. So tap on the set up Face ID option you see there, and now you will be able to set up your Face ID. So simply position your face in the camera frame and then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. So tap on the Get Started button you see there and then position your face within the frame. And once your Face ID setup is completed, simply tap on the Done option on the bottom of your screen, and with this, Face ID on your iPhone will be enabled. So this was about how you can set up Face ID on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.